Do you want to make trades faster on FXPro Direct? In this video, I will show you how to activate quick trading on FXPro Direct step by step so you can execute trades instantly without delays. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to FXPro Direct app. Here. In this page, you will find a sign of profile, so you will tap on profile here, you will click. Then in this window of profile, you will find trading settings, so you will click on trading settings. And then here in this page, as you see, you will find this sign like this. So to enable it, you will click on this sign or this feature, and then we can know how to enable quick trading on FXPro Direct app. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.